Hey Lone Wolves, welcome back to Mike's Microwave Minute Morsels. Today we're gonna have a little treat since it's Friday. Chocolate chip cookie, and for this you need just one ingredient. Cookie dough. Some people like to use Bramwell's, but it's a bit rubbery for me. I usually stick to Safeway's own, but really, any brand will do.
There's plenty of dough here for more people, but obviously we only need enough for one. So you want to form a ball and then press it down into a cookie shape and place it in the microwave for, you know what, 1 minute. Pretend you didn't hear that, Mike. Now, we wait. And remember, I love hearing from my wolf pack. Last week, I really enjoyed trying all those custard tarts you sent in, and I can't wait to try the cookies you send in this week. I always reply, us single guys need to stick together. And now it's time to test it.
Now this is just the way I like it.
Now this is not the way we like it. Charlie, stupid! Charlie, stupid! Okay, let's try this again. Hey Lone Wolves, and welcome to another episode of Charlie's Microwave Minute Morsels. Thank you, thank you. Today, guys, we're feeling kind of cheeky, or should I say, cheaty. That's right, today is cheat day in the Wolf Den, and that can only mean one thing. Chocolate, chip, cookie. For that, you only need one ingredient. Cookie dough! Now, some people like to use Bramwell's. I personally think their mixes can taste a bit rubbery, and we do not eat rubber. Not on this channel. No, on this channel, we'll be using Safeway's own. Great quality and value all of the time. But really, any brand will do. Now, as you can see, I have plenty dough here for other people. But we don't need them. In the bin! Now, for us, obviously we're only gonna need enough for one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the dough, roll it into a ball, and then we're gonna place it and press down into a cookie shape. And then we're gonna put it into the microwave. For how long?
1 minute!
That's right, 1 minute! I love you guys. And now, we wait. Remember, I love to hear my wolf pack howl. Howoo! I really enjoyed tasting your custard tarts that you sent me last week, and I cannot wait to try the cookies that you're gonna send me this week. I always reply. Us single guys, we need to stick together, because I can get lonely out there sometimes. Time to taste it. Just the way you like it. I'm sorry, Mike. She never replied.